Welcoming all. Today we are going to discuss about the form of business organization. Before we are entering to the topic, we have to know what is business and what is business organization. The business defined as an organization or enterprises entity engaged in a commercial, industrial or professional activity that is called a business. Business can be for a profit entity or they can be non-profit entity that operate to fulfill a charitable mission or further a social causes that is called a business. Next, what is business organization? Business organization is any entity that aim to contact and commercial enterprises by providing goods and services to the customer that is called a business organization. In that business organization they have a many variety of forms. There are, first one is sole proprietorship. What is sole proprietorship? The name itself it reflect its a business nature. The sole means a single and proprietor means a ownership. A single ownership is called a sole proprietorship. The sole proprietor have a full capacity and to full capacity to invest his money, and he is a manager, he is a controller in that overall business activity. So that's why we call his a sole proprietor. The second one is partnership. A partnership in the sense two or more people together join and start a lawful business that is called a partnership. In that partnership they have to agree to share profit and loss arise from the business. So in that partnership governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. Okay, what is the member of partners? The membership of partnership in the sense 2 to 10 in a non-financial activity business. If the person doing a non-financial activity in the sense minimum 2 persons and maximum 10%, so that is a one kind of one set of business, and another 2 to 20 for financial business. If one person going to start a financial business, minimum 2 members and maximum is a 20 members to do the particular business. So that is a membership level in that particular partnership act. In that partners they have to uh, share his profit and loss together. So that is a partnership. And third one is Hindu joint family business. The Hindu joint family business is a form of business organization run by Hindu undivided family, where the family member of three successive generations own the business jointly. The head of the family, known as Karta, he is a manager. He is a managing in the business. The other member called a co-passenger, and all of them have a equal ownership and equal right over the property of the business. And next one is joint stock company. Joint stock company is a business entity in which a share of the company's stocks can be bought and sold by the shareholder. Such shareholder own company stock in proportion, evidenced by their share certificate. Shareholders are able to transfer the share to others without any effect of the continuous existing the company. So that is called a joint stock company. The joint stock company they have a two different type. First one is private company. Next one is public sector company. The private company in the sense that the people only sell the share among themselves. If the people the group of people in the sense they sell the share within the group. The public sector company or public limited company in the sense the share sell among the general public. So there is a basic difference between the joint stock company and that the basic difference between the private company and the public company. And last one is government company. The government company has been defined by a Companies Act 1956 as a as one of which not less than 51 percentage of paid up capital is held by a government, that is called a government company. That means the more than 51 percentage or more than 51 percentage of the share capital held by the government. So that is called a government company. So these are all the different form of business organization.